Can I interrupt you?
Mm-hmm.
Could you describe what you're watching?
It's like an ocean or a beach with some rocks and sand. It's kind of calming. Kind of get into it, you can almost feel the breeze. Hearing the birds, it feels kind of real.
When was the last time that you were on a beach?
It's been about 3 years. It's been a long time.